It is wonderful and a great tool to have the First Alert Storm Team Skycam network. And we look just here outside our studios off to the west, and we can see the showers reaching the ground out there in West Fargo. So some sprinkles working their way through. Not the heaviest of the rain hitting here, but there's a heavier batch just off to the west of us. For now, though, look at your conditions at Hector International. We do have temperatures that are in the low to mid 60s, 64 at Moorheads Airport, a degree cooler at Hector. Skies reported to be clear at the airport, but sometimes that happens. How does that happen? Well, we have this neat little instrument that shoots up and looks at a 15-degree circle. There's certainly clouds out there, but there's a little bit of an error going on. So we take a look, 50s. Thanks to the rain showers that have moved through the James and Cheyenne River valleys, and those continue there. 60s, in fact, mid-60s for Grand Forks, 63 in Baudette, and Roseau at 63 as well, with much warmer temperatures out in the western Dakotas now, where it is 76 in Dickinson. A batch of showers along the international border, well forecast by models last night, kind of splitting the gap here in the middle section of the valley, and then this little batch of rain down to the south here, producing some moderate to heavy rain showers. Right now, south of Barnesville, we see some showers of rain pushing into that Pelican Rapids area. As we take a look, Valley City and points south, where you see the yellows and oranges, soaking showers, all moving to the east at about 40 miles per hour. I just diagnosed and analyzed that. And now here's what that means. If we go to the back end of the rain showers here and draw a line, how long is it? It's about 80 miles long. So if you are right here, for instance, the showers here still have to make their way over you. So there's going to be an area that gets some lofty rainfall totals, and Hutch's hunches that this rain in some spots will last another 2 hours, maybe a little bit more in some of the wetter spots. Now notice Fargo's just on the fringe of that rainfall. Expect a few tenths of an inch to over an inch and a half in some of the soggy locations. Showers and thunderstorms are strong on the Missouri-Iowa border, but look at all of the sunshine in the southwestern and south central United States for tonight. Hour by hour forecast. The showers over us now will continue to make their way eastward as they fall apart by the 10 o'clock hour. We could see some spotty overnight showers or rumbles of thunder dancing across the weather map, mainly up to the north. By morning, temperatures in the 50s for most of us, mid 50s for some, and the dark colors here would indicate we'd have a chance for some low clouds and fog on the scene in our western counties. Taking you through the early hours of the day, we'll see a south wind return, 15 to 30 miles per hour by your lunch hour. Hold on to your hats, and temperatures near 60 for almost all of us as that fog wears off. Then passing showers, rumbles of thunder as we go through your afternoon, getting off work time. Check out way off to the east. I'm going to step back and we look into the Arrowhead, some stronger thunder showers. Here we'll have isolated chances of a few hit and miss rumbles of thunder. Most of us stay dry the way it looks. Kind of a few pimples on the scene though. So some of us will have a chance at getting a brief but possibly heavy shower. As temperatures kiss those 70s tomorrow, by the evening we'll be clearing out, quieting down, wind decreasing with more of a northerly component as we start to cool things off. So 52 in the morning to start things up. Look at those temperatures getting nice and orange here. That's 70s for us. Wind shifting from southwesterly to northwesterly as a cool front pushes through. That's going to cause those spotty thunder showers we saw. Temperatures falling off after that. Not perfect weather, but Mr. Skinny here is still enjoying the springtime. Thanks, Laura, for your perfect view. All right, taking a look. Cooler, 60s on Thursday. In fact, 50s for many. Thunderstorms could be strong out toward the Twin Cities, and cold air piles in. We could see a flake or two in our northern counties. I think we'll have little, if any, accumulation, but don't be surprised if a morning flake mixes in with those 30s up north, and still scattered showers around the area through Saturday and Sunday, and even a little bit more on Monday. Temperatures in the 50s for most of us this weekend, the way it looks. Cool. And a little damp.
That's all right. Still better than we have been, you know?
Yeah, we're trying to make gradual improvements.
Exactly. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
As parents struggle to